Hello. In the heart bag assembly video, I was showing you how you can put your Lincoln side panel for your heart bag together using the printout. So if you want to have a look at a little bit of discussion around that, go and check the beginning of that video out. Now, so I'm going to go straight into the pieces that we're cutting for the square gift bag. So essentially what it is, I'll do just a little bit of a recap. The heart bag has got these straight panels that curve around the side. Now, to make the heart bag, you cut in the front twice for the front and back. You cut the side panels twice for each side. But if you cut this side panel 4 times, you end up with this gift bag. So this is like an extra to your heart bag kit. So, to decorate the sides, there are composites within the kit, but for this video I'm going to be putting together a bag just using pattern paper to decorate the sides. Now, for one thing, that makes it awfully quick to die cut and assemble, but depending on the kind of pattern paper you use, you can get a very similar effect. So what you want to do is, I've got my holes in here, so, and I cover all of that in the other video when I'm talking about putting it together. So I'm cutting 2 of my base pieces with the holes in, and then you can take that piece away because it's just stuck underneath, and then cut 2 pieces without, because with a bag obviously you only need 2 holes, a hole on each side. So along with 2 3.5-inch squares, those are the main components for your gift bag. Now when it comes to the pattern paper, what you want to do is, again, you want to cut 2 with the holes in. You can see there's holes there. Flip over, there you go, there's the holes. And then you want to cut 2 without. So they all end up like this with your tabs. So all you want to do on all 4 of these pieces with the pattern paper, you want to just trim those off. Now obviously you could use a paper trimmer. So that's the tab from the top and the bottom, and then I'll just cut all the side tabs off. Okay, so let's glue these onto our side panels. Right, now as with the heart bag, what we want to do is take a ruler and join up the little score lines that are jutting out. Okay, so I want to start with the 2 with holes in. I'm just going to glue those down. Now we don't need the side tabs on two of these, so I will keep them on the two that have got the holes. Mine went blank then. And I'm going to cut them off. Okay. Just bending my tabs. Open them back out. Okay. So we're going to join up our side panels now. So I'm just putting a dot on each and kind of smearing it out. But this is so much easier than the heart bag because we've not got any curves to worry about. It's a straight line. That slid. There we'll do the other side. So we're just joining them up in a row. And what I love about this is that it's just like a bonus project. Because the kit was designed for the heart-shaped bag. And this is a bonus project that you get. It's like a twofer. Oops. A couple of those tabs haven't taken hold, so let's put a little bit of glue in there. Okay, let's glue down the top tabs. So these are the fold over sections at the top. Right, I'm just gluing the last one down. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention, if you make this bag nice and sturdy, So like this one, this was, oh, I can't remember now whether this was what GSM this is. I think it's a 330. It's a butterscotch colour. It was about 330 GSM. So if you make a nice sturdy gift bag like that, you can actually put a wine bottle inside. I mean, it protrudes from the top, but you put a nice long handle on it. Okay. I'm putting the inside panel in first. Now this is where you need a long instrument, and I'm just thinking, I wonder if my, where's the lid? There it is. Okay, this might be long enough. Yeah, that's just long enough. So if you've got one of these tools, or if you've got a particularly long bone folder, okay. Put the last panel in place. Oops, just need to get it, to slide it into the right spot. Okay. Then again, go from the inside and put some pressure down. Okay, so all we need to do now is add some ribbon. So there we go. So that's another gift bag. If you're going to use it as a wine bag, you want to be using some stronger cardstock. But obviously this will, you know, but it's good to have a longer handle if you're going to use it for a wine bottle. The neck of the bottle will protrude, but you can put a ribbon around it, put some tissue paper in. So it's up to you how you'd like to finish that off. You could wrap a tag around the neck of the bottle, but it's quite a cool little way to do a wine bag. But the thing is, this is a bonus project from the heart bag set. So there you are. Those are the two different effects you can get. One using the composite that comes within the heart bag kit, and this one's using pattern paper. So you can get you know, a couple of different looks. But yeah, cool, a bonus project, another bonus project. So there you are. I hope you like them.